I am in perfect health, feeling vibrant and energetic in every moment. Every cell in my body vibrates with the energy of prosperity and well-being. Isn't it wonderful how my body heals itself naturally, maintaining perfect health? Financial abundance flows to me effortlessly, enriching every aspect of my life. I am a magnet for wealth. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. My mind is a fertile ground for prosperous thoughts, growing wealth in abundance. I feel the joy of financial freedom, experiencing the ease it brings into my life. Isn't it amazing how my bank balance reflects my unending prosperity? Every breath I take fills me with the energy of health and wealth. My body and finances are in perfect harmony, creating a life of balance and abundance. With every step I take, I walk towards greater health and increased wealth. I am deserving of a life filled with abundant health and wealth. Isn't it beautiful to see my investments flourish and grow effortlessly? My energy aligns with the frequency of health and wealth, attracting both naturally. I am surrounded by an aura of prosperity, and it positively affects my health. Every decision I make leads me to greater financial and physical well-being. I revel in the comfort and security my financial abundance provides. My body is a temple of wellness, and my finances are a testament to my prosperity. Isn't it amazing to feel the security of financial abundance in every aspect of my life? The universe supports my total wellness and financial success. I am grateful for the health and wealth that flow freely in my life. I effortlessly attract opportunities for health improvement and wealth increase. In my world, prosperity and good health are constants. My mind visualizes abundance in health and wealth, manifesting it in my reality. I am an embodiment of health, and my wealth is a reflection of my inner prosperity. Isn't it wonderful how effortlessly I maintain amazing physical condition and financial stability? I experience a harmonious balance between my health and my financial status. I rejoice in the abundance of health and wealth that is naturally mine. Every day, I live in a state of perfect health and abundant wealth. My life is a beautiful blend of physical vitality and financial prosperity. I am the master of my health and wealth, shaping them with my thoughts and feelings. My healthy body and wealthy life are products of my persistent imagination. Isn't it beautiful how my life is a perfect reflection of health and wealth? I celebrate the constant flow of health and wealth in my life. My reality is an abundant mix of physical wellness and financial richness, and I am deeply thankful for it.